Chronicles of European Winter, Athens, December 2011.
My friend told me that the woman who was living one floor to the next floor, she ordered some technicians to remove the heating system from the house because she does not have money to pay for the heating. And because it was central heating, it was the only way to avoid paying the central heating. This is sad.
We are becoming something similar to Balkan or communist countries 50 years ago. We are going back to the very basic needs of survival, so that there is some education, there is a little bit of food.
It's in many countries people pay taxes for their houses. I'm not saying that this is wrong, but this is something that you have to schedule. You know, you cannot do that in like they say once. It's a shock treatment. Yeah, but who's suffering from the shock? You know, we are suffering. Nobody else is suffering. You know, the politicians are not suffering. So
yeah, that's crazy. I mean, they keep raising the taxes and imposing new taxes at the same time when we have about 1 million people unemployed.
Και εγώ να δεις πόσα έχω, τι να σε κάνω. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Να σε καλά. We don't have money, but να δώσουμε. We can give a cigarette or we can give food. Huh?
Now he's selling credit cards.
I'm selling credit cards to people. That's the best, man. Believe me.
And it goes well.
Yes.
This period.
Everybody wants credit cards. Everybody.
It's crazy.
Yes. I think that they are afraid because they don't have money. So they say, I hope that the bank will give me a credit card to do the Christmas.
Imagine.
Imagine, man. They don't have money to buy a turkey. They don't have money to buy presents for their kids and stuff like that. I go to people and say, hello, I'm promoting a credit card. Do you want a credit card? Stuff like that. And the most people are interesting. They say, oh, credit cards. Wife, come here. Listen to him. He can give us a credit card.
Chronicles of a European Winter. Idea and production, Etienne Og. For more information about the project, visit our website, eurowinter.wordpress.com. EUROWINTER.wordpress.com.